the water holder. That's where all the water is. Boop. They're a little roughed up a little bit, but they're okay. Boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna uncover this plant right here. Ah, they look beautiful. And they do look like they've been watered, so they don't need to be watered again today. Because they got watered in the rainstorm. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that's just the branch that we put. They look good. La, 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 la. Just gonna take the sheet and then put it back on the tree like this. On this one we used a plastic poncho, so the water didn't get into the plant. So as you can tell, none of these plants really got watered that much. It looks like some are a little wilty, but it looks good for the most part. Plastic probably isn't the best thing to put on the plants while it rains. Ta-da! Inkui? Itty bitty tiny plants seem to be doing fine in the rain. Itty bitty tiny plants seem to be doing fine in the rainstorm. These look like they're doing good. Watered. And back over here. They're doing good. They're the carrots that we sowed. And they look great. Do you see what I see? A little cat in the tree. Hello. A little tree for a little cat. A tree for a little cat. Hello, little cat. See, this is what a shimmy is. Okay, put it away. Look at this beautiful rose tree. It's beautiful. Wow. Roses galore. Hi. Okay, so what I have right here are little cups and a little greenhouse that I already put a cup in. See?
There you go.
And I have two. Okay, now we're gonna start planting some seeds. Hi.
I'm sleepy.
Full rain. I'm going in. Come on, Mama.